So basically, we're going to be inside of the glove box. There we go. You're gonna push in from this side, push in from this side, and it'll come right out. You just have to push it back in and just kind of wiggle it out, and it'll fall in. Same as the other side. It's a similar process for basically every single Honda and Acura. Not sure on the new ones, but the cabin air filters are right up here where this thing, well, actually right here where it says airflow. And we're gonna take those out, and like I said, I've already replaced these. I just want to see how bad they are. Okay, so I pulled it out, and I literally replaced this not too long ago. I'd say maybe 3 months, but it is pretty bad. And I did check it before the smoke, thinking if I needed a new one, and I need a new one again. So I'm gonna go replace this because it is filthy, full of smoke, and I'm glad I'm replacing this because, you know, it doesn't seem to be getting any better here. So yeah, you guys can see the level of smoke, and the smoke up there and the ash on the actual car. So I'm gonna definitely be washing everything after all the smoke goes. Do not wash your car when the ash is still around. It's just gonna ruin your paint. So I'm gonna go get a new cabin air filter. So you press on both sides and pull out. That's all you need to do. Both sides and pull. So I'm gonna go get a new cabin air filter. I'll be right back. Back from the auto parts store. This was the only one they had, so I'm pretty sure it's exactly the same as the one that I got. Yep. So there are higher and lower quality ones, and this is the lower quality one. But because they didn't have any other ones, I got it regardless. And yeah, so as you guys can see, this is like bleach white, and that one is definitely not. So I'm gonna be changing it out anyway. I do recommend getting the highest quality possible, even though this one is not it. Usually it has like a metal mesh and other things to protect from basically outside air, any other like kinds of smells or anything. So yeah, there's even scented ones. So I don't know if that helps anybody, but good thing to know. So gonna change it out, clean it out. You just basically tug on it up and set it aside. So one important thing to note is this thing does have directional. So this says airflow down. So wherever the arrow is, which is right here, means that it'll also point down. So all you have to do is make sure that it matches down. So it is facing down. There's only one way to really put it, and it's square. So if it doesn't fit one way, put it another way. Well, it's not really square, it's a rectangle. So it'll only fit one way. So we're gonna just set it back inside, which basically we just kind of throw it back in there, push, make sure the clips are in place, and then put the other clips for the glove box back in, and that's really it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys all stay safe, and sorry for not uploading as much, but as you guys can see, we're in a bit of a problem here. So yeah, stay safe. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, so I can keep you guys updated on anything else that might help with this situation if you're also in it. So